Hello, my name is Hugh Dunlop. I'm a partner in the firm Maucher Jenkins. We are a firm of patent and trademark attorneys, and I'm going to be talking today about trademarks. So I'm going to be talking about how trademarks protect the identity of a brand and serve to distinguish products and services of one trader from those of another. So what is a trademark and why have it? Well, it identifies and differentiates your goods and or your services from those of other traders or service providers. It provides a badge of origin, a connection to the origin of the goods or the services, establishing goodwill and reputation. And goodwill and reputation can be extremely valuable and need protecting. It is unique to your business, and we'll be talking about that. It's unique, that is to say, within a class of goods or services. So, for example, much of my work is in Class 9 relating to scientific instruments. But if I were, for example, serving a client in the perfume business, their perfume would be registered in Class 3. Or indeed, my client might be serving in not only goods for telecommunications, but also services. And then I might be registering a trademark in both Classes 9 and 38. There's a wide range of classes covering all services and goods. Your trademark is a guarantee of quality. Even if you are having the goods made by others, you are guaranteeing the quality of those goods. Many simple word trademarks are very familiar to you and are all around you. Also, of course, logos. And often you will register a logo and a word. And whether you choose to register the logo or the word is a question that you'll be wanting to ask us. Of course, there are other trademarks such as slogans and straplines, and these are generally in the fast-moving consumer goods field where significant advertising revenue is being paid for these straplines. It is also possible to register mere shapes and colours, but we're talking here about trademarks for which there has been very extensive use. They are very distinctive in the public mind. Significant advertising revenue has been spent on them over many years. And all sorts of other things can be registered, combinations of letters and numbers, signatures, for example. Something you may well want to register is your company name, but a word on that. Your company name may be a trademark, but just because you are able to register it at Companies House does not mean you're entitled to use it. It may be a trademark of somebody else. It may be confusingly similar or even identical to a trademark that is already registered. You need to search the trademarks registry for confusingly similar marks. That is to say, marks that may be phonetically similar or visually similar. You will want to search the UK register and the European register. And trademark searching is a matter of experience. So please, as I say, don't do it yourselves, ask a professional. A quick word about words. Use your trademark correctly. Use it as an adjective to describe your product, not as the product itself. There are many instances of words that have become generic over time, such as fiberglass or hula hoop or jet ski even, would you believe, were once trademarks, but were used in the manner to describe the specific goods and have become generic for those goods. So ask advice about how to use your trademark and use it consistently. Trademarks may be registered or unregistered. The very use of a trademark gives you rights in that mark, but please don't rely on unregistered trademarks. Register your mark where possible. If you rely on an unregistered right, it may be difficult to stop others from copying your mark. A quick word about Brexit and how that affects trademarks. Before the 31st of December, it was possible to register your trademark in the European Union register, and that would cover the whole of the European Union, including the United Kingdom. From the 1st of January 2021, your UK registration is split out from your European registration and you have two separate rights, and they will both need to be renewed. If on the 1st of January 2021 your European application to register your mark was still pending, then you have until September 2021 to file a UK application for registration. There are many reasons why you will want to ask a trademark attorney to register your mark for you. You have to ask whether your business name and logo are registrable separately or together, if there are any conflicts with other marks on the register, and if so, how to deal with them, what goods or services or both you need to cover in your registration, what class to register in, where to register your mark and what countries. Also, consider how to advertise that your mark is registered to put others on notice not to use it. And of course, we can advise on the costs of doing all this. So who are we? We are a firm of patent and trademark attorneys with offices in the United Kingdom and Germany. We act before the UK Trademark Registry, the German Trademark Registry, and the European Trademark Registry. And that's notwithstanding Brexit, of course. We also have offices in China and can register your marks in China. Please come and talk to us before you commit yourselves to any particular trademark. You may wish to have a short list of 2 or 3 options because you might be surprised to find that some of them may not be available for use. Thank you for listening.